Here's a quick look at Colony 2. Butterfinger BB and Icee are still in there. The other mothers are in a separate tank for nesting. And they actually piled everything up into this huge, just shoved all of their paper, all of it, into under there. Let's see, you can't find them at all. Here, there we go. And that's Icee, and that's Butterfinger. It's BB, Butterfinger Blizzard. Icee is pregnant. She's coming along. I'm not quite sure when she'll be giving birth there, and Butterfinger Blizzard is just doing his thing, being the male mouse, procreating. Oh, come on. I'm going to close that off there for you. Not much happening with these guys yet.